Good morning, viewers. Today's video podcast is on the current trends of leadership. Hello, managers. Warning, you might be that everyone's whispering about. Leadership today is evolving. In real world of hybrid work, rapid changes take place very fast and raising expectations. How leaders show up has never mattered more. Some lead with clarity, others with chaos, and some don't show up at all. In this video podcast, we explore 7 modern leadership types that are shaping workplaces across the globe. Which one are you? Which one are you working with? This video podcast is brought to you by our channel, B School Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy PhD Official, an initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. Let's find out through real-life examples, insights, and reflection tools that can transform how we lead and how we grow. Modern leadership has evolved due to several factors, but some important factors are: 1. Hybrid work culture. 2. Generational expectations and conflicts. 3. Digital transformation. Today's leaders are more visible and more accountable than ever. So the key message here is modern leadership is not just about position. It's about prestige and presence, awareness and impact. Let's look at overview of 7 leadership archetypes. 1. The always busy boss. 2. The invisible one. 3. The friend. 4. The email machine. 5. The overthinker. 6. The last minute hero. And 7. The good one. Let's go in for detailed discussion on each archetype. 1. The always busy boss. Traits in detail. 1. Calendar congestion. Back-to-back meetings with little white space. 2. Unresponsive. Rarely replies to emails or chats unless reminded multiple times. 3. Over-delegates but under-supports. Pushes tasks down but doesn't follow through with guidance or input. 4. Unavailable for mentoring. Employees feel like they are bothering the leader just by asking questions. And 5. Perceived as important but disconnected. They appear productive but are not actively facilitating team success. So then what is the psychological impact on team? 1. Feeling undervalued, blocked or invisible. 2. Increased reliance on peer problem solving, which can lead to inconsistency. The second archetype, the invisible one. Traits in detail. 1. Rarely communicates, sends no updates, offers no feedback, and avoids interaction. 2. Unclear priorities. Teams do not know what matters or what the leader is working on. 3. Low availability. Misses key meetings or joins without contributing. 4. Lack of accountability. Avoids taking responsibility for team outcomes. So then what is the psychological impact on team? 1. Disengagement and confusion. 2. Lack of alignment, low morale, and weakened team cohesion. The third archetype, the friend. Traits in detail. 1. Conflict avoidant. Dodges difficult conversations and underplays poor performance. 2. Overly accommodating. Frequently agrees with everyone to keep peace. Third, blurry boundaries. Tries too hard to fit in as a peer instead of being a guide. Fourth, delayed decisions. Postpones actions to avoid disappointing team members. Then what is the psychological impact on team? 1. Confusion about accountability. Second, good employees feel unsupported when others are not held to standards. The fourth archetype is the email machine. Traits in detail. 1. Hyper-responsive. Replies to emails instantaneously even after work hours. Second, expectations of availability. Unintentionally sets a 24/7 work culture. Third, operates in email mode only. Avoids calls, live conversations, and deeper engagement. Fourth, delegation through text. Rarely explains context, resulting in miscommunication. What is then psychological impact on team? 1. Anxiety and burnout due to implied urgency. Second, reluctance to disconnect or take breaks. Fifth archetype, the overthinker. Traits in detail. 1. Needs over-validation. Seeks multiple layers of input before deciding. The second, fear of mistakes. Avoids decisions unless there is full certainty. Third, let's revisit this again loop. Reopens settled discussions. Fourth, inflexible timelines. Projects stall while waiting for approvals. What is then is the psychological impact on team? 1. Frustration and fatigue. 2. Loss of momentum and risk of missed opportunities. Archetype 6. The last minute hero. Traits in detail. 1. Procrastinates until critical point. Starts acting only when pressure peaks. Second, enjoys spotlight moments. Gains recognition for crisis solving rather than consistent planning. Third, ignores processes. Bypasses planning frameworks or team input. 4. Disorganizes others. Keeps team in reaction mode. So what then is the psychological impact on team? 1. Stressful work culture. 2. Loss of trust in systems and resentment due to last-minute scrambles. The seventh archetype, the good one. Traits in detail. 1. Listens deeply. Doesn't interrupt and values diverse input. The second, sets clear goals, communicates priorities and expectations transparently. Third, empowers without micromanaging. Gives autonomy but checks in meaningfully. Fourth one, consistently present. Shows up emotionally and mentally, not just physically. Fifth, acknowledges effect and impact. Shares credit generously and provides timely feedback. What then is the psychological impact on team? 1. High trust and engagement. Second, psychological safety, innovation, and collaboration thrive. The hybrid leader, moving towards balance. Modern leaders often display a blend of types depending on the context. The goal is not perfection, but its adaptability and growth. Self-awareness is the first step to leadership transformation. Leadership in 2025 and beyond. Modern leadership themes may include 1. Clarity over control. 2. Connection over charisma. 3. Consistently over heroics. 4. Empowerment over micromanagement. The final thought here. Be the leader who shows up, the one who listens, the one who grows. So, which leadership type reflects your style or your experience? Remember, effective leaders leadership is not about being flawless. It's about being self-aware, intentional, and open to feedback. If this resonated with you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights. Now, a little bonus. Please do not forget to download your free professionally designed leadership self-assessment and team discussion toolkit. The link is right below in the description box. Use it to spark honest conversations and unlock the true potential of your team. Until next time, deal with purpose, lead with presence. Thank you for watching. See you with another inspiring video. Until then, take care and keep smiling. Thank you and good luck.